What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from MGM Classic Cars.com, Addison, Illinois. And today I'm bringing you this new arrival, and this one is a treat. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro 383 cold AC, 9-inch rear end disc brakes all the way around, 4-speed manual transmission. This is the really fun car, and it runs great. Just listen to that 383. You got a nice cam in there. Hear it chopping. Blueprint 383. HEI ignition, of course. Dual exhaust. Take a listen to that exhaust note. Listen to that. Sounds great. 9-inch rear end. Still got leaf springs, got some traction bars on there. Just a cool car, really nice paint. It's like a mirror. As you can see, AC, and it blows cold, ice cold. Radio, aftermarket. Right there. Let it focus there. Go ahead, shut this car off. As you can hear, it runs great. Water temp. I've had this car running for quite a while, and I had the AC on, not just now, but before, and it's just 180, right below 180. I mean, that just gives you an example of how nice this car runs. Looks like it's got deluxe seats in it. Regular door panels though. Console gauges. All of that special stuff. Let's go take this key out so I can show you guys the trunk. Here we have to play my favorite game. Which key is it? Very fun game. Looks like that one. Jacking instructions. The trunk is very nice, very simple. This is a really nice car, really well done. They took their time. The gaps line up great. The glass is in great shape. It's presentable. And this car could be so many things, but it is great what it is now. Aluminum radiator. We just got this car in, and it is a treat, that's for sure. Bumper guards on a Camaro. Those came factory on Camaros. A lot of them were not optioned with it. That's a fun fact for you. Just a really cool car. If you are interested in this car, you may call 847-848-1850. Again, that's 847-848-1850, or visit MGMClassicCars.com. This car is located at our warehouse in Addison, Illinois. We are open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Just take a look at this thing. Bring it on home with you. We have special financing for these classic cars with great monthly payments. They're shipping all over the United States, nationwide, bonded and insured. Open and enclosed directly to your front door. Have a great day, everyone. Thanks for watching. My name is Mr. Jenkins, and it's been a pleasure. And remember, it looks great here, but it'll look a whole lot better in your garage. And I hope to see you guys coming out and buy this car, and I want to see it end up in one of your garages. Have a great day, everyone, and thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned. We get new cars in almost every day. Bye-bye.